What would be the next group of letters or numbers in the following series? And we have 4 elements, and we need to detect a pattern among these elements to predict our next in series. So we're going to start by looking at the first letter in each element, and we're going to map this out on our alphabet. So we're starting with K in our first element, then we go one place to the right, and we get L, then we're moving one place to the right again for M for our third element, then one place to the right again, N for our fourth element. So if we continue this pattern, just move one more place to the right, we see that O should be the first letter of our next in series. So we eliminate any answer choice that does not have O at the beginning. Now we're going to do the same thing, but for the middle letters. And we're going to map this out onto our alphabet. So we're starting here with B. We're moving over to E in our second element. So we're skipping over 2 letters. Then we move from E to H, and again, we're skipping over 2 letters. Then we move from H to K, and again, we're skipping over 2 letters. So if we continue this pattern skipping over 2 letters, we're going to skip over the next 2 letters, and we get to N. So again, we're skipping over L and M. So N should be the middle letter of our next in series, so we eliminate the answer choice that does not include that. So now we're going to do the same thing with the third or final letter in each element. So we're starting with Y, and then we see we're actually moving over to A in our second element. So we're imagining we're jumping across and we're going all the way back to the beginning of the alphabet. So we're actually just skipping over 1 letter, even though this is a little bit difficult for us to visualize. Then we're moving from A to C. So again, we're skipping 1 letter. From C to E, again, 1 letter. So if we continue this pattern, we're skipping over F and over to G, which would be the last letter of our next in series. So that's how we get O and G as the correct answer for this question.